The Pacific Ocean, a vast expanse of blue, holds countless wonders. Its depths are home to an array of marine life, each more fascinating than the last. From the largest whales to the tiniest plankton, the ocean is a world of its own, teeming with life and mystery. Amongst its vibrant coral reefs lives a creature as dazzling as its surroundings, the pink sapphire crab. This tiny marvel, with its striking pink hue, is a sight to behold. Nestled within the coral, it blends in seamlessly yet stands out with its unique coloration. These crabs, aptly named for their gemstone-like hues, are a testament to nature's artistry. Their shells, glistening under the sunlight that filters through the water, resemble precious jewels. Each crab is a masterpiece, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty of marine life. Smaller than your finger, they shimmer like precious stones, adding a touch of magic to their underwater realm. Their delicate movements and vibrant colors create a mesmerizing display, captivating anyone lucky enough to witness them. Imagine diving into the warm, tropical waters and finding these tiny jewels scattered amongst the coral. The experience is akin to discovering a hidden treasure, a moment of pure wonder and awe. Divers often find themselves enchanted by the sight of these crabs, their bright pink shells a stark contrast to the surrounding environment. Their bright pink shells stand out, a stark contrast to the surrounding greens, blues, and yellows. This vivid coloration not only makes them a visual delight but also plays a crucial role in their survival, helping them blend into the vibrant coral backdrop. These crabs are not just beautiful, they are vital members of the reef ecosystem. Their presence is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater world. They interact with the reef in ways that are both subtle and profound, contributing to the overall health of the coral. They are the silent gardeners, the meticulous cleaners, ensuring the health and vibrancy of their coral home. By feeding on algae and detritus, they prevent the overgrowth of harmful substances, allowing the coral to thrive. Their role, though often overlooked, is indispensable in preserving the beauty and vitality of the reef. Coral reefs are bustling cities beneath the waves, home to a dazzling array of life. These vibrant ecosystems are some of the most diverse and productive on the planet, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds for countless marine species. These underwater metropolises are built by tiny animals called polyps, which create the hard, calcium-rich structures we call coral. Over time, these polyps form massive reef structures that can stretch for miles, creating a complex habitat for marine life. For the pink sapphire crab, these reefs are more than just a home, they are a lifeline. These crabs rely on the coral for protection from predators and for finding food. The crabs scurry across the coral, their tiny legs navigating the intricate maze of nooks and crannies. Each crevice and overhang offers a potential hiding spot or a place to find a meal. Here, amidst the coral branches, they find both food and shelter. The coral provides a safe haven where they can hide from larger predators and lay their eggs. The reef provides a bountiful buffet for these small creatures. They feed on the algae and tiny organisms that thrive in the nutrient-rich waters of the reef. Algae, the microscopic plants that thrive in sunlit waters, form the base of their diet. These plants are essential to the reef's health, converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. They also scavenge for any scraps of food they can find, cleaning the reef in the process. By feeding on detritus and algae, these crabs help maintain the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem, ensuring its continued health and vitality. Life on the reef is a delicate balancing act, a constant interplay between predator and prey. For the pink sapphire crab, survival depends on a clever strategy camouflage. Their vibrant pink shells, which make them so noticeable to us, actually help them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. The coral itself is a kaleidoscope of colors, with pinks, oranges, and reds often dominating the palette. The pink sapphire crab with its matching shell becomes almost invisible, disappearing into the coral's intricate tapestry. This camouflage is not just about color. The crab's shell, with its bumpy texture, mimics the surface of the coral, adding another layer of deception. As the sun dips below the horizon and casts long shadows across the reef, a transformation begins. The vibrant colors of the day give way to the mysterious hues of the night, and the reef becomes a stage for a different kind of performance. The pink sapphire crab prepares for a nocturnal ballet. This dance, performed under the cover of darkness, is a vital part of their life cycle, Reproduction. The breeding season for these crabs peaks during the warm summer months, from June to September. The males, eager to attract a mate, perform elaborate displays, waving their larger claw in a rhythmic dance. The females, if impressed, respond with their own subtle movements. Once a pair has formed, they mate, ensuring the continuation of their species. The female crab carries hundreds of fertilized eggs under her abdomen, a protective pouch where the next generation develops. But this dance is not just about reproduction, it is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the ocean. Each movement, each wave of the claw is a signal, a message sent through the water. The crabs communicate in a language of gestures, a silent conversation that has been perfected over millennia. As the night progresses, the reef is alive with these interactions, a complex web of life that thrives in the darkness. The pink sapphire crab, with its delicate dance, plays a crucial role in this ecosystem, contributing to the balance and harmony of the reef. The eggs she carries will hatch into larvae, which will drift with the currents, eventually settling and growing into new crabs, continuing the cycle of life. This intricate dance, repeated night after night, generation after generation, is a reminder of the enduring beauty and mystery of the natural world. Life begins anew, as the female releases her brood of tiny larvae into the water. These larvae, barely visible to the naked eye, drift in the ocean currents, embarking on a perilous journey. The vastness of the ocean is both a blessing and a curse. It offers a world of possibilities but also teems with predators. The larvae, however, are not defenseless. They are equipped with sharp spines and transparent bodies, making them difficult for predators to spot. As they drift, they feed on plankton, tiny organisms that drift alongside them. This planktonic stage is a period of rapid growth and transformation. The larvae molt several times, shedding their exoskeletons as their bodies develop. Section 6. The Ocean's Silent Crisis. The coral reefs, once teeming with life, are facing a silent crisis. Climate change, with its rising sea temperatures, is bleaching the coral, turning these once vibrant ecosystems into ghostly white graveyards. Pollution from land-based sources is choking the life out of the reefs, smothering them in a blanket of sediment and debris. Destructive fishing practices, driven by greed and short-sightedness, are further decimating these fragile ecosystems. The pink sapphire crab, intricately linked to the fate of the coral reefs, is facing an uncertain future. As the reefs decline, so do their chances of survival. The loss of these crabs, though seemingly insignificant, has ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. Section 7. Guardians of the Reef. The plight of the pink sapphire crab is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their survival is inextricably linked to the health of the coral reefs, and the health of the reefs, in turn, depends on the actions of humanity. We have a collective responsibility to protect these fragile ecosystems, to be the guardians of the reef. Reducing our carbon footprint, transitioning to cleaner energy sources, and minimizing our impact on the environment are crucial steps in mitigating climate change. Supporting sustainable fishing practices and advocating for stricter regulations on destructive fishing methods are vital for preserving the delicate balance of the reefs. Section 8. A shared responsibility. The future of the pink sapphire crab, and indeed the future of all life on Earth, hinges on our ability to make sustainable choices. Each one of us has a role to play, no matter how small. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of marine conservation is an important first step. Supporting organizations dedicated to protecting our oceans, whether through donations or volunteering, can make a tangible difference. Even simple actions like reducing our consumption of single-use plastics, choosing sustainably sourced seafood, and being mindful of our water usage can have a positive impact. Section 9. A brighter future. The challenges facing our oceans are significant, but they are not insurmountable. We have the power to change course, to chart a path toward a brighter future for the pink sapphire crab and the countless other species that call the coral reefs home. Imagine a world where our children and grandchildren can marvel at the dazzling beauty of a healthy coral reef, where pink sapphire crabs continue to dance beneath the waves. This is the future we must strive for, a future where humanity and nature thrive in harmony.